Snickers is the perfect combination of smooth nougat, chewy caramel, crunchy peanuts, and rich milk chocolate. More than just a candy bar, Snickers has delighted the taste buds of millions for nearly a century. Every Halloween, kids eagerly knock on doors, hoping to receive sweet treats, and Snickers is always one of the most anticipated goodies. It's no surprise that this is the best-selling chocolate bar in the United States. Since its debut in 1930, Snickers has been more than just a snack. It has become a symbol of satisfaction. Few people know that the name Snickers comes from an inside joke by Frank C. Mars, the founder of Mars, Inc., who named the candy bar after his family's favorite horse. A fascinating story behind a candy bar that has become legendary. Curious about how Snickers is made? Here's an exclusive look inside the factory. Snickers is produced at the Master Foods USA facility, a division of Mars located in Chicago, Illinois. Incredibly, this single factory alone produces 45% of all Snickers bars sold in the US, while the remaining 55% comes from a network of factories across the country. With a massive 600,000 square foot production space, the Master Foods factory operates at full capacity to meet the ever-growing demand of Snickers lovers. Every day, millions of bars roll off the production lines, ensuring store shelves nationwide are always stocked with this iconic treat. It's a non-stop operation dedicated to keeping America's favorite snack within reach. The magic begins with creamy milk chocolate, but there's something special about this particular chocolate. It is uniquely formulated with a higher content of cocoa butter and lecithin, which naturally raises its melting point. The result? A chocolate that doesn't easily melt in your hands but instantly dissolves the moment it touches your tongue. Every delicious Snickers bar starts with premium cacao beans, sourced from trusted suppliers in 110-pound sacks. Upon arrival at the factory, the beans are emptied onto a specialized floor system with channels leading directly to dedicated roasting chambers. Here, two different types of roasting machines fine-tune the flavor of the cacao according to the specific needs of each chocolate batch. Once roasted, the cacao beans undergo a meticulous quality inspection. A special handheld tool splits each bean in half, allowing experts to evaluate the batch's quality. If the interior of the bean has a purplish hue, it indicates that the fermentation process was incomplete. However, if the beans exhibit a deep dark brown color and release a rich, distinct aroma, they officially pass the test, ready to become the key ingredient in every Snickers bar. After being roasted to perfection, cacao beans undergo a meticulous refining process to become the ideal chocolate ingredient. They are first sent through a grinding machine, where powerful blades break down their structure, separating the cacao nibs from the outer husks. Next, the mixture is sifted through layered sieves. Larger, heavier cacao nibs settle in one layer, while the lighter husks are removed by a vacuum system, leaving behind only pure cacao solids. The cacao then moves into a ball mill, where thousands of tiny steel balls continuously collide, transforming the coarse mixture into a smooth, flowing liquid. One crucial step in chocolate production is the extraction of cocoa butter, the key component that determines the final product's rich and creamy texture. A portion of this mixture is pressed to remove fat, separating the cocoa butter from the solid mass. Next, sugar and milk are added, blending seamlessly in a specialized mixing system before undergoing the refining process. This step breaks down sugar particles, increasing their surface contact with fats, resulting in a more elastic, silky, and uniform mixture. Finally, the chocolate blend passes through a multi-stage refining machine, where each successive layer spins faster than the previous one, further smoothing the texture to achieve the perfect velvety consistency. A critical phase in crafting premium quality chocolate is the conching process, where both flavor and texture are perfected. During this stage, the chocolate mixture is continuously stirred in massive concha machines under carefully controlled temperatures. This process enhances the depth of flavor while making the texture smoother and more refined. Conching not only ensures the perfect blend of ingredients, but also removes bitter, volatile compounds, resulting in a well-balanced, pleasant chocolate taste. Once the desired consistency is achieved, the mixture undergoes tempering, a controlled heating and cooling technique that stabilizes cocoa butter crystals. This step is vital in determining the chocolate's glossy finish, firm texture, and ideal melting properties. After tempering, the chocolate is stored in large holding tanks at approximately 86 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining its liquid state and stable quality before moving on to the coating stage. At this point, the mixture is continuously stirred to prevent clumping, while temperature and viscosity are strictly monitored to ensure it meets exacting standards. Another key factor throughout this process is the Maillard reaction, a complex chemical transformation that enhances the chocolate's deep, irresistible flavor. This reaction is the secret behind the rich, indulgent taste of the smooth chocolate coating that everyone loves. As the milk chocolate is tempered to achieve its perfect smoothness, the factory is also bustling with preparations for the other key ingredients of a Snickers bar. Starting with freshly roasted peanuts. Massive 2,000-pound bags of peanuts are lifted and poured into a large hopper. From there, the peanuts travel along a conveyor belt, beginning their journey to the roasting chamber. This specialized conveyor system oscillates back and forth, ensuring that each peanut is evenly exposed to heat for a consistent roasting process. Next, the peanuts enter the oven, where they undergo a meticulous 20-minute roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This critical step enhances their rich, nutty flavor, giving Snickers its signature crunch and irresistible taste that everyone loves. While the peanuts are roasting to crispy perfection in the oven, in another part of the factory, the nougat, the soft, chewy, and sweet heart of a Snickers bar, is being crafted with precision in a dedicated production area where the art of nougat making is carried out with expert accuracy. The process begins with the preparation of a rich syrup mixture made from corn syrup, sugar, salt, and water. These ingredients are blended and heated in a large vat to 290 degrees Fahrenheit, forming the foundation for nougat's signature smooth and airy texture. Next, the hot syrup is carefully combined with whipped egg whites, creating a light, fluffy consistency. To achieve the ideal chewiness, the mixture is continuously mixed and further heated to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, a precise temperature that allows the nougat to set properly, ensuring it is firm yet retains its signature elasticity. Finally, crunchy roasted peanut pieces are evenly folded into the soft nougat, creating the perfect balance of nutty richness and chewy texture. Ready to be layered with caramel and coated in chocolate to form the delicious Snickers bar. However, this process requires meticulous adjustments based on humidity levels. If the air is too humid, the sugar can absorb excess moisture, requiring a temperature increase to maintain the perfect nougat texture. The caramel, the soul of Snickers, is also crafted with meticulous care. The process begins in a large industrial vat, where corn syrup, butter, condensed milk, sugar, and salt are blended and heated to the perfect temperature. The mixture then undergoes caramelization in a vacuum cooker, where it is cooked at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. This entire process is carefully monitored to ensure a perfectly smooth consistency, preventing any burning while maintaining a rich, golden color. As the caramel nears completion, vanilla extract is added to enhance its sweet aroma, along with lecithin, an emulsifier that ensures a silky, stable texture. Once it reaches perfection, the mixture is gradually cooled and maintained at 110 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing that every layer of caramel in a Snickers bar is irresistibly smooth, creamy, and melts effortlessly in your mouth. Once all the ingredients are ready, the soft nougat layer is rolled out onto the conveyor belt with precise thickness calculations. As soon as the nougat touches the belt, it swiftly moves to the next stage, where smooth caramel and crunchy peanuts come together to form the perfect candy filling. Meanwhile, the roasted peanuts, having just completed their 20-minute journey in the industrial oven, reach their peak crispiness and release their signature nutty aroma. These freshly roasted peanuts are immediately mixed into the warm, velvety caramel, creating a rich, flavorful blend that's ready to be layered with nougat. Now it's time to unite these two delicious layers. A large blade carefully scrapes the peanut caramel mixture from a rotating drum, allowing it to fall directly onto the moving nougat layer below. Immediately after, rolling pressure bars gently press the two layers together, ensuring they bond seamlessly into a uniform block with the ideal thickness. The caramel nougat sheet then enters a sealed cooling tunnel, where it is chilled to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step solidifies the layers, ensuring they can be precisely cut while maintaining their perfect texture. Next, The massive Snickers slab moves into the cutting machine, where rapidly spinning blades slice it into neatly shaped strips. As these long strips continue down the conveyor belt, they reach a guillotine-style blade system that cuts across each strip, forming individual 4-inch Snickers bars. Now, each Snickers bar has its perfect size. Only one final step remains: the irresistible milk chocolate coating that will transform them into the legendary candy bars everyone loves. When it comes to chocolate, let's return to where the journey began, where the smooth, velvety milk chocolate has just completed its tempering process and is now ready to coat each Snickers bar. The warm, liquid chocolate flows into 2 enrobing machines, where each candy bar is bathed in a rich, creamy chocolate layer, giving Snickers its signature glossy finish. This step is crucial in achieving the bar's perfect appearance and irresistible taste. As the chocolate begins to set, the bars continue traveling across vibrating mesh screens, ensuring the coating spreads evenly while eliminating air bubbles for a flawlessly smooth outer shell. But the magic doesn't stop there. While the chocolate is still soft, the bars pass through a decorating machine, where they receive the iconic swirl pattern. This is the moment that gives Snickers its distinctive touch, a small yet essential detail. A burst of air gently blows across the surface, creating the perfect swirls that add to the bar's signature look. Next time you unwrap a Snickers, take a close look at those swirls. It's a hidden signature on every bar. Once the coating is perfected, the Snickers bars enter a cooling tunnel where the chocolate fully solidifies, preparing them for the final packaging stage. Upon exiting the tunnel, each bar is wrapped in its iconic brand packaging using a specialized plastic film that preserves its freshness and rich flavor. A high-speed packaging system equipped with heat-sealing technology can wrap up to an astonishing 2,000 bars per minute. After packaging, the finished Snickers bars are grouped into larger packs, placed in cartons, and stacked into shipments destined for stores worldwide. From there, Snickers doesn't just sit on store shelves. It embarks on a mission to satisfy cravings across the globe, with every bite delivering the ultimate satisfaction to chocolate lovers everywhere. That concludes the incredible journey of how a Snickers bar is made, a sweet icon that has captivated millions of people around the world. More than just a chocolate bar, Snickers has become a legend in the confectionery industry, solidifying its status over time. Today, very few competitors can match Snickers in popularity and appeal. With its unique flavor and perfected recipe, this brand has left a lasting impression, consistently leading sales and expanding its global influence. According to Snickers, sales in the US alone have surpassed the $2 billion mark, an impressive figure that proves the undeniable allure of this legendary chocolate bar. If you're curious to see how toilet paper rolls are made in a factory, don't forget to click the link in the description and the first pinned comment to watch now. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends to discover even more fascinating insights about the world around us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exciting videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.